welcome back. Let's read the daily routine. I go into my bathroom sometimes around 6:45 a.m. My sink and medicine cabinet are on the left when you enter my bathroom. The toilet is next to that, with the tub in front. Anyway, I turn on the lights and try to find the mouthwash in medicine cabinet. I pour a small amount into a cup, swish it around for 30 seconds and gargle and spit. Not pleasant, but necessary. Then I get out the floss. When I'm done flossing, I pull out the toothbrush and the toothpaste. I brush and then it's off to the shower. I pull the shower curtain aside, step into the tub, and pull the curtain back. Notice, sometimes in American English, they say curtain, curtain, curtain. I turn on both the hot and the cold water. Looking for the perfect temperature, I lather up with soap, put some shampoo in my hair, then rinse and dry off. Now it's shaving time. I used to own an electric razor, but I found it didn't shave close enough. 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 So now I'm back to the old hand razor. I lather up with shaving cream and I start to shave. I rinse the razor and throw the disposable blades in the trash. It's about 7 a.m. and I'm on to breakfast. Next episode, we're going to talk about what I have for breakfast. See you then.